Next, I got a car speaker hooked up to a RCA radio. After that, it's time for a Sony receiver, and both on each, we're gonna see who wins. We're gonna see how many powers does both of them have, and we're gonna see who wins. So let's get started on this, guys. Ready? This is gonna be a battle in this video. All right, I'm gonna play that song right now. Song called Christmas Time Again. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. For extra bass. I can see the woofers moving. How come the other one on the right is not moving neither? Hold this. Hey! Alright, fuck it. I'm just gonna destroy it when I get home. Fuck that shit. And I already took the trailer off because this one has a capacitor and I don't want to make it like an explosion. This one does not have a capacitor. Fuck that shit. I'm gonna do that shit when I get home. That's how I feel about it. Go for out.
Oh, it's broken now.
Huh?
It's broken.
You got like a pair of scissors?
Yeah.
Okay, I can't wait to destroy this thing. Anyways, I'm gonna blow this thing up.
Okay, do your thing.
That's how I feel. So guys, only one speaker is still playing. The other one is not working either. It's pissing me off.
No, I'm broken.
Sorry guys. I'm gonna start over. 3, 2, 1. There's gonna be a lot of scratching in this car. Are you sure about this, Diego?
I'm pretty sure it will.
Smell it? What does that smell?
What? From where?
Smell it.
It smells like cars in here.
You smell it now, right?
Yeah.
What's that smell?
cars.
Cars?
Yeah.
Cars? What else?
Like like tires, car tires, and
Okay, you just made up or something like that. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna blow this shit up. I don't give a shit. I want to battle. All right, I just paused off my recording right now, and do the beginning. Okay, what time is it right now? All right, so the time is now 4:09. I still got time to do it before I leave. So what I'm gonna be doing right now, I have one speaker that's still working. The other one is not good, not working neither. So what I'm gonna do right now is to blow up the speakers using both radios, and both of those radios and receivers does have more power. But we're gonna see who wins, who blow that speaker. It's like a fighting game, you know, like boxing on TV. So ready for this? All right, radios, all right, RCA radio and Sony receiver, get ready to battle. 3, 2, 1.
action.
6 o'clock p.m.
Actually, what?
I said action.
Yeah. I'm turning on max.
I'ma get it. So we get it. So we get it. I'ma get it. So we get it. You see, I need this process now. When I die, I swear it's moving now. Not just now. Maybe this thing can't just leave me for now. Maybe you'll let go.
That's a Christmas song in the previous video. I do Thanksgiving video. I can't believe what he described what it smells like. It smells like pretzels. Pretzels. I can describe what I smell. It's making me want to laugh. It plays the same volume on this radio. This is hilarious. Jacob, what does that smell now?
Smells like burnt popcorn.
Huh?
Smells like burnt popcorn in here.
Burned popcorn?
Uh-huh.
What is it? We're watching a movie?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is making me want to laugh. I can't. This radio keeps playing the same volume as it is before in the previous video.
Yeah.
When we used, like during Thanksgiving, I used to do a speaker blowout.
Uh-huh.
This is making me want to laugh. And Christopher says, "Oh, he described the smell. It's like, it smells like It smells like marshmallows." Pretzels.
Marshmallows on what?
Pretzels.
Oh, pretzels.
Pretzels.
Yeah. I like pretzels though.
I can't believe this radio right now. Okay, this radio doesn't have enough power to blow that speaker, but I'm gonna try the Sony receiver, even better.
Yeah.
Next, I have the receiver hooked up to a car speaker again, And I'm not too sure if I'm able to do it, but I have to do it. I just had my video camera recorded, but we're gonna see what happens if I turn it on max volume. Because this one is loud. This receiver is very loud. Previously,
Yeah.
I can still tell that it's really loud, and it's gonna be a lot of excursion going on here. So be prepared.
And remember, click away if you don't want to hear loud music. But enjoy.
Yep, that's what I'm gonna be doing.
So we get it. So we
Let's
get
see if
it.
this receiver has power to blow it up.
Yeah.
I'ma get it. So we get it.
Is it on max already?
Not yet. I gotta turn the volume up slowly because I don't want my receiver to underpower it. Because we don't know if the receiver is underpowered.
You don't want to
Maybe this thing here just ain't meant for us. Baby, you let go and I pull you back. I let go, you ain't having that. We do it like a rock star. Sitting in my hotel room, we so loud.
Oh! Holy shit!
What just happened?
The smoke just. Oh my god! This is very crazy. Oh my god! This is so funny. What was that smell now, Diego?
Now it smells like burning rice.
This is so funny. Oh my gosh, I can't help it myself. Woo.
It's completely destroyed.
Thank God this receiver is on protect mode. That's why.
Calm down.
I'm okay. That's why it's in the protect mode, because we don't want my. It's because the receiver doesn't want the underpower. This shit is so crazy. Like, it has more power to blow this. All right.
And now it's destroyed. It's broken now.
All right, let me check. Let me double check to see if the speaker is blowed out. Well, I can still hear it.
Yeah, but when you turn it up loud, it destroyed it.
Okay, I don't want to turn it up that loud.
Yeah, we're not gonna do that anymore. We're not gonna do that anymore.
This is so funny. This wants to make me want to laugh right now.
We had our fun though.
And now, the winner is
Sony receiver.
Woo! Good job, Sony receiver. Congratulations. You just blow that speaker. You deserve a training now. Here you go.
You completely destroyed it.
And that's guys. That's how you that's how I blow that's how I do a sound pressure video, and start by blowing up the speaker, but use radios, but use radio instead. That would be way better. But this is so funny. Like, I see the smoke coming out of my face, and it's so crazy.
And I was in shock too.
So you won too. You won, Sony receiver. You deserve a money. All right, that is it for the that's it for today's sound pressure video. This is going in the garbage this time, but I'm gonna keep that recorded later on, is by taking the speaker out and throwing them away. But that by that speaker, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna hook up with that speaker. I'm gonna blow this up next time. By the time I come there and see them again, I'm gonna be blowing up the speaker.
Tell us what you think on the comments.
All right, and you have a comment on the box below through the YouTube. So be sure to comment whatever you have to say, and be sure to subscribe. Put a like. This video deserves a like, guys. I can't believe how well this Sony receiver is. Tell me this video that you react. Put it in the comments below, and next time I'm gonna use the other speaker, hook the Sony receiver. I'm only gonna take Sony receiver at that time. RCA radio can stay in my room. I'm gonna be using that one as in the studio as well, because this radio, it doesn't have enough power to blow the speaker, but I'm using it for the studio anyways. And this radio has a great sound, but that Sony receiver, it's like too much of it's extremely loud. You just
This radio did pretty good though.
Yeah, this radio has a great sound, but glad I captured it on video. It's very crazy. That Sony receiver, that's have 190 watts to blow that speaker, and I can see the smoke coming out of the speaker. This is so crazy. So what do you react when you see the smoke?
Oh, when I see the smoke, when I see the smoke on this thing, and I was like, what was that?
All right, okay. This Sony receiver deserves $20. So what I'm gonna do now is to take the hold my phone. I'm not gonna put that there the next time. Don't drop it, please.
I won't.
Brand new.
I won't.
All right, Diego. What do you think? You think we should take that speaker and destroy them outside?
Yeah, we should do that.
Let's do that now. Get ready for it. And we gotta use the backyard as always, you know. No, we gotta take the speaker outside and just throw them on the ground.
Okay.
Really hard. Act like you man, Diego. Go do that outside, not here in your room.
Right there.
Keep going. But we gotta ask your mom first. Diego, feel the woofer and see what it feels like. No. Push it. Push the woofer. Oh, it's locked up. You hear? You hear it? It's locked up?
And it's soft.
What do you mean it's soft? It's locked up. It's blown already. This means it's blown.
Yeah, but the glass is soft. And this too.
Only the edge is there. It's like I thought this car speaker has 500 watts on that speaker. And my receiver is 190 watts. And I had it on max volume. And I see the smoke coming out of the speaker. That's crazy, isn't it? This make me want to laugh. This speaker is just a failure. I can still tell. But yeah, that is it for the day, guys. And also, I'm gonna do another. So when I start my semester, I'm gonna tell someone to take that speaker, destroy them, take them in the park, and destroy them. I'm gonna do another video when I start my semester. I'm gonna tell my friends as students to destroy that speaker, since it's blown already. And I'm gonna destroy the other one too. But this speaker right here, this is gonna be the last one. This is gonna be the last one, last speaker for another video. And I hope that I'm keeping my video camera charged as I'm doing the next video. So that is all for the video, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video.
Peace out.
Bye.